is software as a service. That means that that software is hosted remotely in the cloud, and that the provider of that software, and not the user, manages the security, the access, the availability, and the performance of that software. SaaS is different to traditional software in a number of ways. Let's start with distribution. So traditional software is distributed by bricks and mortar stores on CDs or A drives or B drive floppy disks, if you remember that far back. SaaS, on the other hand, is essentially available to anybody, anywhere with an internet connection. Another difference between traditional and software as a service is usage or accessibility. SaaS is available from anywhere. Traditional software is available only from the machine that it's installed on. The other thing is cost. So traditional software, you go into a store and you pay a price. With SaaS, you pay a subscription. You might pay that subscription monthly or yearly, but you use it, you pay for it as you use it, essentially. Businesses are becoming international. It's much easier to be international as a business because the world is so much more connected. Businesses are often hiring contractors that are working for them remotely, but they're also offering flexible time to their employees, which means that wherever their employees are, they need to be able to access the latest version of the document at any point in time, or the latest, most updated version of a customer record at any point in time. So SaaS suits businesses fantastically. Another area where SaaS is critical is for businesses who have frontline sales forces, who are knocking door to door or are in one meeting room to another meeting room and need to have the latest version of their sales documents available at their fingertips on their mobile devices, computers or otherwise. So SaaS in enterprise is exciting and is growing. There are a couple of metrics that are unique to SaaS companies that you could look at when comparing one to another. The first of these is MRR, and that's monthly recurring revenue. Essentially, that's a gauge for how sticky the customer base of that SaaS company is. Another one is churn, which is how many customers is the SaaS business losing per month. Obviously, the higher the number is, the less sticky the product. CPA is another metric. It stands for cost per acquisition, and that compared to the average revenue per customer is an important gauge of profitability for a SaaS business. Finally, something to look at when you're evaluating a SaaS company is, does that SaaS company have channel partners? Channel partners are kind of like a SaaS company growth hack. When a SaaS company has a channel partner, it means that channel partner provides an additional distribution channel and decreases CPA, so cost per acquisition, and decreases the marketing cost that SaaS provider has to incur. The future for SaaS is another acronym. The acronym is SIP. And SIP stands for Software as a Service Integrated Platforms. Considering there are so many SaaS providers out there and so many companies, the next thing in SaaS are going to be the platforms that bring them all together. Those platforms are going to host a bunch of SaaS companies. From the user perspective, it's great because you sign into your platform, you've got all of your SaaS products there. And from a SaaS provider perspective, it's going to be great because that platform has a ready-made list of users for you to plug into and sell to.